What's up, fam, and welcome to part 2 of AI coding for computer-savvy non-coders. In this video, it's going to be a short video, but I'm going to show you how to actually deploy the web app that you've developed. So if we look at our cursor here, we've got an app. It's obviously half-baked, but let's say that I've put all the work in and it's ready to deploy to a server. We can then open our browser up and go to vercel.com. So if we look at Vercel, Vercel is a AI cloud host, and they offer free starter packages. So you can come in and sign up for a hobby package, and that will give you everything you need. You can deploy up to, I think, 200 different projects, and that will allow you to share freely with your community. All you have to do is come here, hit sign up, answer the questions, and you'll have an account in just a couple of seconds. I'm working on a personal project. You drop in your name and you hit continue. Once you have your account created, you can go back to cursor, and you're going to go up to the view menu and go to terminal. That will open your terminal, and from the terminal you're going to type in this super simple command: mpx vercel login. That is going to automatically open up your browser, and if you're already logged in because you just created this account, all you have to do is hit the allow button. And that's it. You can actually close this tab down, and you can go back to cursor, and then in the AI agent, if you go to plan, say, I want to deploy my app to Vercel via the Vercel CLI. I'm already logged in via npx vercel login. Which folder should Vercel deploy to the root? And I'm going to say the recipe organizers folder. Are you deploying to an existing? No, I want you to create a new folder. Comes up with a plan and all of its to-do list. We can then go and hit build and sit back. And just like that, Vercel finishes up after just a couple minutes, and it produces a URL that we can copy and paste into our browser. Copy and come over here and paste. And wouldn't you know it, here is our recipe app. It doesn't have anything in here right now because the database didn't migrate, but we can add our first recipe and import from a link and go get an apple pie recipe and add that in just like we did when we were in our local host, and hit save, and we can add our photo, but you can see this is on the real internet. So just like that, you've got an app on the internet, AI coded and deployed. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.